What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and now we are less than a week away from the Apple's Unpacked event from 2023, and this time let's talk about every single detail which we know about all of these rumors for the iPhone 15 series. So as far as the design goes, the 15 series will be looking similar towards the Apple 14 series, last year's 14 model, but the pill and punch hole cutout is expanded to the entire lineup for the 15 and the 15 Pro models, and the notch has been ditched right now. Instead of that, the dynamic island is coming to all of the iPhone lineup. What we also know is that the phone will also be coming with a major upgrade, which is the Type-C port, and instead of a lightning port. And finally, this transition is in the long time in the making, so the charging Type-C port is going to be a great upgrade. The next upgrade, which is going to be in the iPhone 15 series, it's about its OLED display drivers. Now for the Apple 15 series will be manufactured in the newer OLED panels, and this could be resulting in a better battery life overall across the board of the standard iPhone 15 and also the Pro models. Now apart from that, the phone will also continue be features such as recent rumors which have been available for the iPhones, which are that it will coming with the action button for the Pro models, and instead of the action button, we'll still be seeing a mute switch on the standard iPhone 15 series. Well, apart from that, to match the charging cable colors, this time around the iPhone 15 lineup is going to be much more colorful, and you will be getting a similar color charging cable, braided USB-C charging cable inside the box itself. And there are also chances this is will be some kind of a proprietary charging cable for the Apple 15 series model only. Well, the glass back is also coming to the phone, and this time around the glass back is going to be replaceable, and the charging speeds and the overall battery capacity is going to increase very much with up to 4900 mAh battery in the iPhone 15 Plus. The Pro models will also be getting a major upgrade, but also the Pro models are also going to be lighter this time with the titanium frame. Last year there were aluminum frame and there were different kind of materials, but titanium is going to be coming instead of a stainless steel in the 15 Pro and the Pro Max, and the phone will also be coming with the increased price. Now, what do you think about this iPhone, and will you consider buying the iPhone 15 Pro series? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.